Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel techCodio. It's been 1 month I haven't made any video in my YouTube channel. I mean the long video. From now onwards I will be posting the videos regularly, right? So let's see what we have. So today I'm going to discuss map, filter and reduce functions in Python. I hope the agenda is clear. So before getting started, I'm requesting you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also give me some support. And also hit that like button. I hope you will do that. So now let's begin with this map function. Let's quickly see the syntax what we have. In this syntax, firstly we need to give a function. Function means normal function which starts with def, or else we can use lambda function. I made videos on this normal function and as well lambda functions. If you haven't watched that video, so kindly go and check it out. Now here we need to pass iterables. Iterables means, just a second, iterables means we can give string, list, maybe tuple also. These are iterable. Set, dictionary also. These are the iterable data structures we have in Python, right? For the function we can make use of these two functions. For the iterables we can make use of these 5 data structures. I mean these 5 data types. So now let's see the intuition behind map function. Here I have the string data. I am mapping the string variables to an integer. Here you can see the 2 I'm converting to normal integer. This 3 string I'm converting to int. Unlike that, the 5 string I'm converting back to integer. It is the idea behind map function, right? Now let's implement the same thing with the code. Here in the num, I just want to give integer values. First one is 1 integer value and the second one 2 and the third one is 3. Here I want to take one variable result equal to map integer and then give here num. Now let's print result. I think we're gonna get one error. We are not getting error, but we are getting this one, map object at this byte. So in order to see the output, we have to pass this output to the list. I mean we are converting the data into the list format. Now you can see we got this output. Let me check the type of result. Yeah, you can see it is list, but now it is converted to integer. Let me check it also. For I in list, for I in result. I just want to print type of I. You can see it is giving int because the 1, 2, 3 are converted to integers, right? Now let me give another example. Result 1 equal to list of map. Here I want to use lambda function. Lambda x colon x power x. Now I just want to give the numbers we have. In these numbers we have string values. Just a second, I just want to define one more numbers. Num1 equal to 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yeah, I think we got one error. Let me check it. I think for the lambda function it is not required to give this one. I just want to give it here. Yeah, num1 is not defined. Just a second. Yeah. Now you can see I got this data. Here I'm mapping all these numbers to 2 square 4. I mean the power 2 power 2 4, 3 power 3 9 and 4 power 4 it is 16. Here we are converting our string to integer, right? It is a concept behind map function. I hope it is clear to you. I just want to give one assignment. Convert the num1 to its cube and add +5 to the each element of list and post the answer in the comments. The same syntax for the filter also. Here we have to give the function, whether it is def or the lambda function, and then iterable variables as we discussed, like list, tuple, set or dictionary. So when you want to apply conditions to this list, we can directly make use of filter function without using the if and else, right? Here I'm adding one condition greater than equal to 15. I just want to get only those numbers. Here I got 15 and 20 because those are greater than equal to 15. The 12 is not obeying the condition. That's why we are not getting this 12 number. For n equal to, I just want to give 12, 15 and 20. We are getting this list data. Now for the result 2, I just want to, for the result 2, just give the list and filter function. Here I'm using a lambda function, lambda x colon x greater than or equal to 15. Now give here n variable which containing this list data. Result 2. Yeah, you can see we got this output, right? It is the use of filter function. The same thing I can implement with the if and else also. Let's see this second. For I in n, if I greater than equal to 15, then only I just want to print I. Else pass. Yeah, I got the same result, 15 and 20. Here I wrote almost 5 lines of code, but here I'm getting only with the 1 line of code. It is the beauty of this filter function. So when you are starting your career in the data analysis or data science, you have to use this map, filter, reduce functions a bit more, right? It is very important for that concepts. Let me give one more example to you. Here I'm taking string values. In the list ls, I have a, b, c, d, and then the second element a, b, c, d, e, f. Third one is b, c, d, ls, right? So now I just want to take one more variable, result 3 equal to list of filter lambda x colon x dot starts with a, then only I want to get that data. Here pass ls. Let's check if we are getting the output or not. Yeah, you can see I got the output. Here I'm applying the condition. If the string value starts with a, I just want to print only that values. Here I got abc and abcdefg, but I'm not getting this value, right? It is a filter condition we are applying here. Here you can convert it to the tuple also. Yeah, I think the tuple tuple, just a second, it's my bad. Yeah, and we can convert it to the set also. We got set value, but we cannot convert to the dictionary, I think. Yeah, we got this error. Dictionary update sequence elements has length 3 but 2 are required. We cannot convert. It is output we got. Now I just want you to give one assignment for this also. Try to implement the concept with set data, same concept, and post it in comments. Now let's see the final one, reduce. We have, let me discuss the syntax with you. It is the syntax we have. First, just give the function and then sequence of data like this and the initial. Don't worry, I'll just tell you what is initial also. Now we need to import it from the func tools. From func tools, import reduce. We just imported reduce. Now we want to make use of it. Res equal to list of reduce. Here the function is, once look at this image, here we are reducing the list elements to a single element. we are just summing up all the numbers to the single number. So we are going to implement the same thing here. Lambda x colon x comma y x plus y, and here I'm directly giving the list values 4 and 5. Yeah, the list is not important for this one. Yeah, we don't want to give the list to this one. That's it, we got the output. Here we are reducing the list elements to the single element. It is our goal. Initial means here I can add 10 to the 15. You can see I got this 25, or else I can add minus 10 also. I got 5. Initial means it is a variable that we can add some values to this reduce. I want to add 100 to it. Yeah, you can see I got 115, like that. Like that we are using reduce. Now I just want to use the same concept with the string values. I have string of A, B and C. I don't want this. Yeah, we are adding all the single elements to the one element. Now I can add one string also, D. You can see that is added to this string. For here also I just want to give one assignment to you. Use take as a list and add Codio to it as a initial variable and post it in comments. Right, so guys, we are done with the lecture. We saw the map function, filter, and as well the reduce function. I'm going to add this notebook in the description of this video, so kindly go and check it out. Let me save this one. Control S. Yes. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. In future videos, I think from July I'm going to start free minor projects to the BTech students. If you are a student, then please make use of that beautiful opportunity that I'm giving it free. I'm giving all the BTech projects free in the YouTube only. Right? So guys, bye for now. See you in the next video.